How legit CPN can help. Establishing a strong business credit profile requires meticulous financial management and a positive credit history. For new businesses or those facing credit challenges, this may be a daunting task. This is where Legit CPN comes into play. Legit CPN provides services that can assist entrepreneurs in building and enhancing their business credit. With expertise in the field, they can guide businesses on the proper steps to establish business credit, improve credit scores, and maintain a positive credit history. Through legitimate means, they offer strategies that can help entrepreneurs navigate the complex world of business credit and set their ventures on a path to financial success. Conclusion. In conclusion, having business credit is not just a luxury, it is a necessity for businesses aiming to thrive and flourish in today's competitive market. The advantages of business credit are numerous, from safeguarding personal finances to gaining access to funding and capital for growth. Entrepreneurs can leverage business credit to build credibility, foster strong relationships with suppliers, and seize new opportunities for expansion. While building business credit may seem challenging, the expertise and support of services like Legit CPN can make the process smoother and more effective. As entrepreneurs invest in their business credit, they are investing in the long-term success and sustainability of their ventures, creating a firm foundation for a prosperous future. In the competitive landscape of the business world, entrepreneurs and small business owners are constantly seeking ways to gain a competitive edge and secure the success of their ventures. Among the many tools and strategies available, one stands out as a crucial foundation for sustainable growth and financial stability: business credit. In this article, we will explore the importance of having business credit, its benefits, and how utilizing services like Legit CPN can help entrepreneurs establish and nurture their credit profiles for a brighter future. Understanding business credit. Business credit refers to a financial history that tracks the creditworthiness of a business entity rather than an individual. It involves the assessment of a company's ability to repay debts and manage financial obligations based on its credit history and performance. Unlike personal credit, which is tied to an individual's social security number, business credit relies on a company's employer identification number, EIN, or tax identification number, TIN. Why business credit is a must. Separation of personal and business finances. Establishing business credit allows entrepreneurs to separate their personal and business finances. This separation can protect personal assets and credit in case of business-related financial difficulties. Access to funding and capital. A strong business credit profile opens the doors to various funding options. Lenders, investors, and financial institutions are more likely to extend lines of credit, loans, and other financial resources to businesses with a positive credit history, enabling them to invest in growth and expansion opportunities. Building credibility. A robust business credit score enhances a company's credibility in the eyes of suppliers, partners, and customers. It demonstrates financial responsibility and reliability, encouraging others to engage in mutually beneficial business relationships. Vendor and supplier relationships. Strong business credit can lead to improved vendor and supplier relationships. Businesses with favorable credit histories may receive more favorable payment terms, discounts, and other benefits, which can positively impact the company's bottom line. Business insurance rates. Insurance companies often consider a company's credit profile when determining insurance rates. Maintaining a solid business credit score can lead to lower insurance premiums, reducing overall operating costs. Opportunity for growth. Having access to business credit can facilitate expansion and diversification. Whether it's opening new locations, investing in marketing efforts, or launching new product lines, a solid credit profile provides the financial foundation to pursue growth opportunities.